Are humans closer in relative size to the Planck length or the entire observable universe? Definitely the latter. The comoving radius of the observable universe is on the order of 10·26 m, while the Planck length sits at about 10·35 m. The meter is closer to the cosmological scale than the Planck scale. Single quote closing square bracket. To put the Planck length into perspective, a proton has the width of about 10·−15 m and the Planck length is about 10·−34 m. So logarithmically there is a greater difference, 4 orders of magnitude, between the Planck length and a proton than a proton and a human. Edit. There, S.A.C. in Planck. We are closer to the observable universe, but not by much. I forget where I heard this, but I'm pretty sure that the halfway point between the universe and Planck length is the size of a period on a piece of paper. Quote closing square bracket. But isn't it true that, per Wikipedia, the Planck length is so many orders of magnitude smaller than any current instrument could possibly measure, there is no way of examining it directly. So, wouldn't it make more sense to compare the size of the observable universe to the smallest length that can be observed, i.e. measured? That's actually a really good question. I see the answer posted, and am somewhat surprised at the disparity between the two. From a purely speculative standpoint, it's an interesting revelation considering how much throughout history we struggle to break the bias of placing ourselves at the center of our observations. I would say it depends how you look at it. Closer to the observable universe, as has already been noted, we are about 9^10 closer to the size of the observable universe than the Planck length. Closer to the Planck length, we are 1.7 meters greater than the Planck length. However, the observable universe is 8.8 times 10 to the 26 meters larger than us, and the Planck length. Single quote closing square bracket. I find it a little strange that people assume the logarithmic scale is the correct scale for such comparison. Logarithms are pretty much a human cultural invention for ease of representation. Physics does not operate logarithmically, in which case, we are much closer to the Planck length. Edit. See comment for more discussion. Single quote closing square bracket.